Hey, what's happening? Raymond Noble here. You know, I'm doing it. I'm over here at this open house at 7468 Poirier Way, Sacramento, California, 95822. 3 bedroom, 2 bath home. It's going to be on an auction. Opening big prices 298, 888, 298, 888, and it will be going up. I'm not sure the date. I will get that information to you. But let's go take a peek at this house. Let me give you a little shot. All right. Let me back up. That's the garage. They put a new little skim coat of concrete on the driveway. All the eaves and fascia have been redone and painted. It's going in this nice little front door here. Boom. Walk in. Really nice. Come to the right to the kitchen. Bing, nice little kitchen. And come down in here. You got the living room. Real nice. And then you come down the hallway to the first bedroom. Bing, really nice. It's a nice house, man. All the way around. Come down. Next bedroom. Come in. Bing. Master bedroom. Bing. Bing. All clean, spotless. Come down here. That was a bathroom. And then bing, got another one right here. Full bath. And then got the third bedroom. Nice, lovely little crib, don't you think? Come get it. Malcolm Merriman is the listing agent. We're here showing this house. And if you have any questions, give us a call. You got my number, 916-712-4554. Raymond Noble. Just out here doing it. Bye.